Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a mind-boggling scenario. What if the sun were to explode? Now, to set the stage for this cosmic speculation, let's first understand the sun's current status. Picture this: the sun is like a middle-aged star, having lived for about 4.6 billion years. Yes, that's billion with a B. It's halfway through its life, like a 45-year-old human in star years. The sun has been burning bright, fusing hydrogen into helium in its core for this long and is expected to continue doing so for another 5 billion years or so. But as we all know, all good things must come to an end. So what if this fiery ball of gas were to reach its twilight years and meet a dramatic end? Stay tuned as we journey into the realm of the unknown. When we talk about stars exploding, we often think of a supernova. This is a spectacular cosmic event where a star, much larger than our sun, implodes under its own gravitational weight, then explodes outwards, releasing an incredible amount of energy. But it's crucial to understand that our sun simply doesn't have the necessary mass to go supernova. So what's the fate of our sun? Stars like our sun, which are of medium size, undergo a different, less dramatic death process. This process is called a nova, or more specifically, a planetary nebula. During this process, the sun would first expand into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. Then, over time, it would shed its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf surrounded by a beautiful glowing shell of gas. Instead, it is expected to go through a less dramatic process known as a nova, or planetary nebula. In a nova, the sun would shed its outer layers, creating a stunning celestial display. This dramatic event is like a star's grand finale, a celestial firework, if you will. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for our home, the Earth? Well, as the sun goes through this transformation, it would start to release intense solar winds and radiation. These forces would be much stronger than anything we experience today. Over time, this bombardment could potentially erode our atmosphere, the protective blanket that makes life on Earth possible. With the atmosphere gradually fading away, Earth would become less hospitable. The temperatures would swing drastically, and harmful cosmic rays would reach the surface unchecked. Life as we know it could struggle to survive in these harsh conditions. However, don't start packing your spacesuit just yet. This process wouldn't happen overnight. It would take millions of years. Assuming humanity survives and evolves over the next millions of years, our distant descendants might have to find a new home in the cosmos. Imagine a future where we've mastered the art of interstellar travel, hopping from one star system to another, or where we've learned to terraform barren planets, creating new Earths in far-off corners of the galaxy. It's a thrilling yet daunting prospect, isn't it? But let's pull back for a moment and consider the grander cosmic perspective. In the grand ballet of the universe, stars like our sun are constantly being born, living out their lives, and eventually meeting their end. This ceaseless cycle of stellar birth and death has been unfolding for billions of years and will continue long after we're gone. Our sun's eventual fate, dramatic as it may seem to us, is but a natural part of this cosmic cycle.